Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. In this brief YouTube video, I'm going to talk about some Canslim stocks that are trending, that are of interest to me, that I've invested in, and we'll see what happens with them. What I do is I use Metastock. I rank all the markets, and there's a handful of them. You can see them right here, are the ones that, according to this ranking methodology, which is simple and robust, I identify the strongest stocks and as well as the weakest. But when I'm in a bull market, I want to be long. There's no reason I would ever want to be short. I don't want to try to buy bargains. I want to buy high with the anticipation of high going higher. So the first thing is I rank the stocks, which I've done already. And let's start with them. The first strongest one was 3D Systems. And you can see how this thing is moving up. And even yesterday, excuse me, it moved up tremendously. And you added positions here. It was one of the strongest stocks. Took a breakout, pulled back a little bit, broke out here. You can see that right here. And then the interesting thing is I'm following this also with a trailing stop. I'm not willing to give it all back. And we have to see what happens. So this triple D or 3D Systems is one of the strongest stocks that I'm invested in right now. Another one, let's jump to CELG. I'm not in this CELG. It is taken off like a rocket ship. And what I'm waiting for is somewhat of a pullback. I do two things. I buy breakouts and I buy pullbacks of the strongest stocks. And mostly the Canslim stocks excuse me, end up in that. So I'm waiting for a pullback in this CELG. Okay, I'm in this QU, whatever it is. It's a Chinese internet company. Actually, I have a couple places I got in here. This was another breakout, which I entered. I'm looking to buy again here. If it can take out this high, who knows? I have a stop in there to buy some more. I'm risking down to this trailing stop. We've got to see what's happening. The symbol is KIHU, one of the strongest stocks. Seagate has moved up strongly, as also as Western Digital. I'm actually in both of them. And basically bought one breakout here, bought another breakout here, and for whatever reason, maybe there's earnings coming out, had a big move up here. But as you can see, I'm trailing it. We have to see what happens. That's Seagate Technologies. That's STX. Excuse me. Bought soda, and you can see that it was kind of tough. I bought it, turned down, bought it again, turned down, bought it again. Let's see what happens here. But bought some more yesterday. But again, regardless, I'm trailing it as it's moving. That's the key. You have to trail these stocks. You have to believe that anything can happen. These are just a handful of the stocks that I'm in right now. And again, CELG I'm not in. And this is educational to teach you how to trend follow, how to invest in the strongest stocks when the market is favorable. You don't want to be invested when the market is negative or we're in a bear market. I sit on the sidelines. I don't even really want to short. Again, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. I invite you to come to my blog. I have a course. I have one-on-one. I have a bunch of books that teach. I have a bunch of books on Kindle. Let me show you the ones on Kindle. Hang on one second. Let me just hit pause. These are the books that I have on Kindle and on Amazon. This is the Bible of Trend Following, How Professional Traders Compound Wealth and Manage Risks. Wiley Books published it. And then I have all these short little ebooks that are anywhere between 10, 20 pages on all different ideas. One of the best-selling ones is Stock Trading Mistakes. I have Day Trading Indicators. Talk about Nicholas Darvis, Bollinger Bands, how to avoid bear markets. So I invite you to pick up these books. They're really inexpensive. They're an introduction. I also have them in Spanish. I have them in Portuguese, Italian. Again, just trying to help you. Again, these aren't major expensive ideas that are, like courses that are thousands of dollars. These are $1, or this one was $2. I mean, it's really inexpensive. But I invite you to come to trendfollowingmentor.com. Learn how to trend follow. Learn how to compound money. It's not easy. There's always going to be losses. There's always going to be periods that are flat. There's nothing perfect. But I try to teach you how to think as a trader, and I give you my trading plan on what it takes to be hopefully consistent and long-term invested. Thank you.